Welcome back, Covesters, to the Crypto Intelligence Portal. My name is Nathan.
And I'm Liz. Today's topic, how to succeed in crypto trading.
Cryptocurrency trading is exciting and filled with potential and new value. Outside of this Crypto Intelligence Portal is a vast amount of information on cryptocurrency you can access. Here are a few fundamental steps to become a successful cryptocurrency trader.
Developing a trading strategy. Clarity is key to becoming a successful trader. To develop this, you must have your own strategy. Find out what works for you and get good mentors to guide you on your journey.
A good mentor is very important. Let's discuss paper trading. Paper trading is when you trade without using real money. You can practice and test your trading skills by creating your own portfolio online. Prospective traders will learn how to develop a winning trading strategy this way. The easiest way to paper trade crypto at the moment, besides simply using a notepad and pen, is to create an account on cryptocompare.com. They have a section where you can create a portfolio and then add your trades to it.
You can give your paper trading portfolio a name as well as a description. A private portfolio can be viewed only by you, and you can also password protect the portfolio by encrypting it. Research the coins in which you would like to invest and insert the dollar amount and price at which you bought each one into the Crypto Compare portfolio. Build it up through trial and error.
The pros and cons of paper trading. Paper trading offers an opportunity to get familiar with trading and see if you're on the right track before you completely dive in. It allows you to make adjustments to your trading plan before you put real money at risk. Being a successful trader can allow someone to work from nearly any place in the world with an internet connection. Hotel rooms, cafes, and thanks to the latest tech developments, even far distant corners of the world.
Cryptocurrency traders are blessed with a strong growth potential, and their lifestyle can certainly offer a lot of enjoyment. But those who have taken this path know this gift does not come easily. The sooner you start, the faster you'll get there. So why not start practicing now by paper trading? You have nothing to lose.